Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Tuesday post market live session, 13th of February, and we have seen the second Fin Nifty expiry today. Before we go into the Fin Nifty expiry, let us look into the Nifty charts. Excuse me. So this is the Nifty on the intraday time frame. From recent highs of around 22,053, today once again it has created a new low at 21,543. So almost we have seen in last 5 days about 500 points of correction, and it has made one pullback today. It came up to 21,766, made a high there, gave a small fall, and again closed above 21,700. So for now on the Nifty, looks like today, since it has made one more low, we may have to wait for one more day to check if the new low gets broken or does it get the support. For now, I would say for this week, second day in a row, of course there was only 2 days have passed in this week, but both the days consecutively it has taken out last week's lows. Last week also on Friday it had made a new low, which means for 3 consecutive days we are seeing lower lows on Nifty. So that is the major reading on the chart. The correction which has started from 22,126 has been going on, and consistently lower lows have been made along with lower highs, especially for last 3 days. Even on the intraday time frame we are seeing new lows being formed, pullbacks. Whether will it sustain or not, we'll have to wait and watch. For now the trend is down. Coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is giving mixed signals. After making a new low yesterday at 44,800, today it has taken a support at 45,011, and it has also tried to breach yesterday's high of 46,000. Of course it is not sustained there. It just touches yesterday's high at 46,000, makes a new high at 46,012, which means it has hit the resistance at 46,000 and it has started coming down. One, on the Nifty side, it is continuing to make new lows, and on Bank Nifty side, it has hit the resistance at yesterday's high and it has closed lower at around 45,660. So this is with respect to Bank Nifty. On the whole, the takeaway is Nifty is making lower lows consistently, and especially in this week, both the days it has made a new low, continuing with Friday's low. With respect to the Bank Nifty made a new low on Friday, made a new low yesterday, but today it has survived yesterday's low, and here looks like it has taken the support, but it has hit the resistance at yesterday's high and it has closed fairly below that, around 400 points below that. Tomorrow's market action or the price action is important for both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty entering into the second expiry or second weekly settlement tomorrow, so probably some amount of volatility is expected in Bank Nifty. On an average, we have been seeing more than 700 to 1000 points range on all the days for last several days now. Getting into the expiry, I am thinking tomorrow also it is going to be a big wide range day. We don't know how much of volatility will be there, but definitely the range, the days high and the days lows range is going to be more than 700 to 800 points. So we need to be prepared for that. It is having resistance at the higher side, and whether will it take the support on the lower side is to be tested, which means there is going to be some good action which can be expected. So let us see how Bank Nifty expires. Main takeaway is on the Bank Nifty for tomorrow's expiry will be just ensure this is becoming more of sell on rise market. So any upward movement, if you see, it is not a kind of scenario where you will aggressively buy. Instead you can start selling at the resistance levels. So that is my takeaway from the charts for tomorrow's trading. Mainly be on little bit of selling side tomorrow if you see higher opening. So today we saw Fin Nifty expiry which has again very similar to Bank Nifty chart, except that it has broken. I think today on the intraday time frames, even the Fin Nifty has taken the support, but it has hit the resistance at yesterday's high and it has closed at around 20,160. So there was some good pullback in both Nifty and Bank Nifty charts today. So that is the major observation based on today's price action. Nifty continues to make new lows, while Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, though they have taken some support, it has hit the resistance at the higher level. There is a question here, if possible make a few minutes to share your views accordingly. Views about what, Firdaus? Make a few minutes to share your views accordingly. About what? About the index, about the expiry, about stocks, or about market in general? You can type in your comment. I think I might. Because if you have any specific query, you can type in the query. My second comment didn't upload, don't know what happened, what it had to upload. You can type in again, because okay. Yeah, in fact the initial idea was to do some live sessions during market hours, so that people can ask their queries about their existing positions, and if we can help them out through that. In fact, definitely I will try to do some live sessions. In fact, nowadays, since there are daily expiries, Monday we have mid cap, Tuesday we have Fin Nifty, Wednesdays Bank Nifties, and Thursday Nifty, and Friday Sensex. In fact, all the days there will be some of the other queries with respect to the expiry trading, with respect to options, with respect to option selling, with respect to out of the money trades. In fact, I would be willing to help, but maybe I don't know whether it will be possible through long YouTube videos, because we don't know when the trade comes. Probably I may take some Zoom sessions. So if you are interested, I will invite you to some of my Zoom sessions so that you can come and watch the live trading session at that time. That might help you to take some trades and see if you can learn something out of those sessions. So mainly not on YouTube, sir, but by Twitter. Okay, Twitter posts. Oh, okay, you mean to say you want me to post some information on the indexes for the expiry on Twitter? Yeah, I can do that. That would be more easier actually, putting some. See, the problem is we are not SEBI registered unless, so we cannot express our opinion on any specific stocks, especially if we have some positions on that. But yes, during the market hours, for learning purposes, I can put up some charts and I can put some readings on those charts, my opinion or my whatever I see through those charts. Whether to take any financial decision, buy or sell decision, is entirely, it will be your discretion. So probably, yeah, I can do that. In fact, I have a new handle also on Twitter. It's called Timely Trends. So if you are if people are interested, I can start putting some of my timely trends related charts and the suggestions on that. The chart readings. In fact, we have made some more minor adjustments to our chart reading patterns for our trend analysis and other things. Some corona bond traders are simply flying like while professionals like you are getting underrated. No, see, we have our own business which is doing well. In fact, my idea is not to do anything major on YouTube or on social media. In fact, in my circle or in the fraternity where I am moving, I have been well recognized. Yes, the general audience doesn't know much about me, but that's okay. So people, in fact, even if too many people start coming also, it becomes difficult for me to handle. I prefer to be underrated. I prefer to be little bit less known in the market circle, simply because this is an industry where things are so dynamic, things keeps changing. Today we will do well, tomorrow somebody else will do well. So it's kind of a cycle. So what you say is right in a sense. Post corona, most youngsters have come. Yes, it is they are so young, they want to exhibit their skills, but we are kind of matured enough. We have gone through all of those phases even when social media was not there, and we are at a stage where we prefer kind of silent environment actually. I understood your concern regarding SEBI not ideas on social media platforms. Yes. So yeah, see, the thing is where we have to be recognized with respect to the clients, with respect to the right kind of audience. I am already having fairly well established business, so I'm not much concerned the general audience is not much aware about me or my trading skills or my methodology. But that's okay, but that will come slowly. It will come, because I am also not very active on social media. I am not very active on Twitter or on YouTube. So it is understood and some many a times it is I don't find time during market hours to everything takes some amount of effort and some amount of time. So even if I have to do a YouTube video, it's not it won't it's not that easy. I take about half an hour to do the video, and during market hours those half an hours might cost me a lot actually. So I will in fact try to put some more, maybe some charts and my readings about the charts on Twitter. That would be easy thing for me than doing more videos. But initial idea was for me to do this Banao Bharat videos during the market hours and express my views as the market is live. So I used to call this as Banao Bharat trading for living live sessions only. Now I am calling it as post market live sessions. That's all. Even these sessions are not recorded. These sessions are like done live. That's why YouTube doesn't push these videos much. So the live videos YouTube doesn't push much. The algorithms are written in such a way live videos are sent to very few audience or very specific audiences. But anyway, I'll keep this in my mind, and I'm happy people like you are noticing our our effort and our experiences. So let us see how it goes. Anyway, have a good day. It's getting late now, 11:15. So let us once again see if possible we will try to do a live session tomorrow. My intention is to learn reading option chain for intraday trades. Do one thing, Firdaus, you just put a DM on my Twitter handle. I will respond to that. Then probably we can take it forward. Okay. So have a good sleep. Let us once again come tomorrow morning for Bank Nifty expiry. Expect wide range, expect selling on rise kind of a scenario. That is what is my reading as of now from the charts. If tomorrow the data setups are different, then we will see. But otherwise, to begin with, tomorrow morning's 9:15 session, we need to be looking for the sell trades whenever it emerges. So that's it from my end for now. Let us once again catch up tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti.